Good morning, students. Today we do a new chapter, that is lesson number 13, profit and loss. So firstly, I will let you know what is a profit, what is a loss. But before starting profit and loss, you must know there are two terms which play a very important role in this one chapter, that is a cost price and a selling price. So listen, first of all, I will let you know what is a cost price. Cost prices, we can also use CP. CP is a short form of a cost price. When we purchase anything, we buy it. Clear? So cost price is the price at which we bought a item. Clear? We call it cost price. And the selling price is SP, means short form of selling price is SP. SP means it is the price at which items are sold. When we sell anything, we call it selling price. So these two terms play a very important role in this one chapter. Cost price means when we buy anything, and selling price means when we sell anything. Clear? Now, what is a cost price? So this one point you have to write down in your copy also, or underline in a book also. It is given in page number 131. Cost price is the amount at which shopkeeper buy an article. It is the amount at which shopkeeper buy an article. I already told cost price means bought anything. So it also include other cost also, like overhead expenses. Overhead expenses such as transportation, labor cost, electricity bill cost, repairing cost, etc. That one cost also included in cost price. Clear? Then come what is the selling price. Selling price is the price at which shopkeepers sell an article to the customer. When it sell, we say it is the selling price. The price is called selling price. Clear? Now with the help of these two terms, we will make 6 formulas. Clear? So see, third point, it is also given as a first point in the book on page number 131. When the selling price of an item is more than the cost price, the shopkeeper makes a profit or gain. Means when selling price is more, we get a profit. Clear? So when SP is more than CP, we call profit. So profit formula will be profit is equal to SP minus CP. So this is the first formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. And when you have to find the SP, so student, in that case you must have a profit. So you have to plus profit in CP. Clear? If I take this minus to this side, the minus sign will convert in plus sign, because when it come from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand, its sign will change. So minus will become plus. Clear? Otherwise you learn it in selling price case, we have to plus profit. Clear? And when we find CP, in that case you have to plus loss. So there is a profit, so you will minus profit here. Clear? Like this manner you learn the formula. Now fourth point, when the cost price means CP of an item is more than the selling price, that is SP, we call the shopkeeper get a loss. So loss means CP minus SP. So this line is more important. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. And in case of SP, what should we are having? We should have profit. If we are not having profit, we are having loss. So what do? You mean minus loss. And in case of CP, you must have a loss. So you are not having loss, so you have to plus profit. Like this manner, you have to learn these 6 formulas. And on the behalf of this 6 formulas, student, we will do whole chapter. Clear? So let's start with the activity 1 of lesson number 13. Question number 1. See. Question number 1 is identify the CP and SP in the following. Mr. Sharma bought a laptop for rupees 36,250 and the sold it for rupees 32,500. Bought means CP. CP means cost price of a laptop, and sold means selling price of a laptop. Clear? From these two you can understand which is a bigger one. Bought one means cost price is big. It means that we get a loss. So how we write in the copy? We will write it as like this manner. Firstly, activity 1, date here. Question number 1, identify the CP and SP in the following. A part like this manner, then solution. Cost price of a laptop is rupees 36,250. SP of a laptop is 32,500. Then compare it. as CP is greater, we say there is a loss. They said only you have to find which one is the profit and which one is the loss. So we find it is a loss. Now I will tell you how to do B part. A shopkeeper bought a shirt for rupees 700 and sold it for rupees 270. Cost price is 700, sold means SP is 670. From these two, which one is big? Cost price. Again we get a loss. So we write cost prices of a shirt is 700, SP of a shirt is 670. As CP is greater, we get a loss. Similarly, student, you have to do C and D part. Same like this. If in that case selling price is more, you can say we get a profit. Clear? Now student, we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is you have to find the value of a profit or loss. Means if profit come, you have to find how much it is coming, and if loss come, you have to find how much loss is coming. So student, we will do A and B part in a class, and C and E part is the homework for you. Don't do D part, leave it. A part is cost price of a toys rupees 190 and selling price of a toys 183. We will write a question like this manner: find the profit or a loss. A part, we will not make a table, we will write like this manner: cost price of a toy is rupees 190, selling price of a toy is 183. As from the question you can understand, CP is greater, so we get a loss. So what is the formula of loss? In loss means CP is bigger. So CP minus SP, you minus it, answer come rupees 7. Clear? Similarly student, we do B part. Now the cost price of fruits and selling price of a fruits are given. Clear? So see, cost price of a fruit is rupees 92, selling price of a fruits is rupees 99. As SP is greater, so you get a profit. When profit is come, so which one is the greater one? Selling price. So you write selling price minus CP is equals to rupees 99 minus rupees 92. Answer will come 7. Similarly, you do C and E part by your own. Clear? Now student, I will let you know how to do question number 3. Question number 3 is find the selling price. Selling price means SP you have to find. So how you find the SP? Cost price is rupees 985 and profit is rupees 25. Clear? As you all know that when you have to find SP, in SP you must have a profit, and here student you got a profit. So if you are getting a profit, you have to plus it in whatever the value is given before. Clear? CP plus profit, when you do rupees 985 plus rupees 25, when you plus it, answer will come 1010. How? 985 plus 25 you do 5 5 10. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 1 will go here, it will come 10. So you write a rupee sign also, because it's a profit and loss chapter, so rupee sign is mandatory. If you not put, your marks will be deducted. Understood? So now student, I will let you know what to do in homework. In question number 1 student, you have to do C and D part. Question number 2 you have to do C and E part, and in question number 3 only B part you have to do in maths copy. Clear? Today student, we have learned what are the profit and loss, and for that we learn two keywords, CP and SP. CP is a cost price and SP is a selling price. And if the CP is more, we get a loss, and when the selling price is more, we got a profit. And when selling price we have to find, in that case we must have profit, so we plus profit there. When we are having loss, then in that case we have to find cost price, means cost price we plus loss, and in selling price we have to plus profit. Clear? So keep these 3 points in your mind, then your chapter will be easy. So thank you and have a nice day.